Hi friends, this is Marilyn from tarotclarity.com, and I am thrilled to be opening a package I received from the folks at Artisan Tarot. It looks like what I have here is an invitation to join their chat room. If anybody's interested, check it out. I already belong. And a nice note. Oh, I got a pin. Okay, this is a lapel pin. Their logo. Lovely. Oh, very pretty. And their 22 card deck. The major arcana, or the trump cards. Oh, and look, it's bound together with this this rabbit. Oh, wow. On the inside, it's decorative also. How lovely. How lovely is that? Wow, this is really pretty. Nice presentation, guys, over at Artisan. Very nice. Oh, my gosh. Feel these cards. They feel like heaven. Oh, my goodness. So, let's see. We have a... Oh, I put them upside down. Lord have mercy. Okay, I'm not sure what this is, but I'll find out. Do What Thou Wilt. A title card. Describing it as a faithful reproduction from the trump cards based on the Tarot of Marseille of Nicholas Conver, 1760. Hand restored and adapted by Kristen Condor, with guidance from William Rader. First edition. Okay, so we have also a Two of Coins, which I presume is to identify it as the Conver. And is that where we get the logo? Something similar. And it looks like we have the cards in reversed order. I want to comment on how they feel. They feel like a dream. Gosh, whether you... Well, I guess this is too slight a number of cards to riffle shuffle. But boy, I can tell you if you were to, overhand shuffle them. And I don't want to do it because I want to show you the cards. I think they glide like a dream. It's... a linen finish. I don't know if I can capture that. But it is a linen finish. Oh, it feels wonderful. So in reverse order, and I do have the French version. Beautiful. So if you have the Nicholas Conver by any other publishing house, like Yves Renaud or something, I think if you were to do a side-by-side, you would see that there have been, maybe some clarifications made to this deck. A good example would be here. You notice the crank goes through to the other side. So the wheel visually makes more sense. Things like that. What a nice job. So there we have it. The back is very nice. It's very lively. It gives me kind of a bit of a Keith Haring vibe. Very active back. So there we have it. A very nice presentation. And oh, just to show you how they glide. Oh yeah, they shuffle like a dream. Oh. And I guess it is the satin finish. It's, excuse me, the linen finish. Feels great. Feels great in the hand. So anyway, I really would like to encourage you to visit the folks over at Artisan Tarot. To check out their work, check out their projects, check out what they're doing, and to join them in their chat room. I think it's over here. Follow them on Instagram at Artisan Tarot, which I'll put down, and also to join their chat room, their Discord chat room. So until next time, friends, stay well. Peace.